Welcome to Muscogee Creek TV. Today we are at Mount Yonah, just north of Cleveland, Georgia, USA, with our DJI Mini 2 drone. What you're seeing is the rooftop of the cabin we had rented for the weekend. Now here are we at our launching point, what I assume is roughly 1.5 miles from the face of Mount Yonah, named for the Yonah band of the Cherokee Nation in North Georgia, USA. Now I would like to say that I am particularly impressed with the distance and range you can achieve with the DJI Mini 2 drone, manufactured by the Communist Chinese. Did I say that out loud? Oh well, we'll just leave that in there. Mount Yonah is an ancient, sacred monument to the tribes of the southeastern United States. Some would even say that it is an artificial construction from an earlier era, which has been destroyed by technology and the lingering forces of time and nature. Now, I might not say that myself, but it does seem to have an oddly flat peak, and you have to wonder what sort of internal geological forces could cause such a natural oddity. Assuming that it is indeed natural in its formation. In ancient times, Cherokee people who were dissatisfied with the direction of their lives and their misfortunes were reputed to have thrown themselves over its cliff face to their deaths. Now consider standing here and contemplating the magnitude of your sorrows and gazing down into your doom. Just imagine it's far steeper than the camera allows. To peer over its ledges causes waves of sorrow and depression and spiritual revelation.
God likes to sing. 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 God likes to sing.